Hello everyone, Russell Wright from networkempire.com, and today we are talking about the free Silo architecture plugin that you can download for free. And it's really cool because you can actually use the new plugin feature that has just been added. And that means that you don't need to use any of our upstream services like the perpetual keyword money machine Silo builder, Empire builder, which was formerly called Domain Web Studio. You don't have to use Kraken, which is probably one of the most advanced vertical online market research tools in the world. You can just add a keyword if you want manually and build them step by step the old way. This has never been possible before, so some of you coming onto the scenes who have never engaged website silo architecture manually will never know what was gained. So let us just tell you that we used to charge tens of thousands of dollars to do this kind of stuff manually in 2007, 2008, and WordPress is not native. The native WordPress does not allow this structurally. So we worked really hard, and this is not an average plugin. This is really something that took a lot of developers, including Jeffrey Smith's team at SEO Ultimate. The Network Empire team had to make some changes to that. So this is really a very robust plugin. And we have given you all the themes that it's tested on, and there's no plugin conflicts that we have registered at this time. So that's just a little insight about what we're doing. Now we're going to answer another question that a customer of ours has asked. And that question is, by installing this, would you advise not installing other plugins? All-in-one SEO, etc. SEO Ultimate would be another one, and the one that I use is Yoast SEO and Yoast Video, which is a premium plugin. I think $180 for unlimited versions of the video plugin, which is, for me, an indispensable plugin for getting your videos indexed off of your site. I'm going to go ahead and answer that question, and I think our friend in the Warrior Forum was asking this question. All right, so absolutely not. You can use, let me rephrase that so I don't cause any confusion. You can absolutely use SEO plugins. All this plugin does, our free SEO Silo plugin, is it changes, let me see if I can find the website first. Sheesh, hang on a second here. Here it is. Here's one of our demo sites. All this does is change the structure to make it more SEO friendly so that the internal linking structure references references pages based on your individual keywords. So if you've got a top level silo landing page, for example, let's say it's coaching, and you've got online business coaching is a secondary page, and then you have some or the category, and you have some sub articles. All of them have to do with coaching, or they might be pure diverse terms, meaning they don't all necessarily have to have the word coaching in them. Okay, and you actually should create some what we call pure diverse words. But this kind of structure really does help you rank higher using far fewer inbound links. There's arguments about how much it helps you in lowering the need for inbound links, especially when you target deep pages. But that's what this does, and this is not a native structure to WordPress. So to answer your question, I always have, you can't see it because I don't have it installed in this test blog, but I use Yoast SEO at this point. So far, I haven't noticed Google pinging SEO, Yoast SEO, or downgrading its functionality because of so many users. It's a very, very highly used plugin. I think that Google will and does begin to penalize certain kinds of plugins for overuse. So Yoast still seems to be pretty good on the radar. And the answer to your question is absolutely you can use other SEO plugins. We have no conflicts so far that we have found, because remember, what's going on here is that you're simply using pages. So online business coaching is a page, business coaching today, these are all pages. So when you're using Yoast SEO or anything else like that, it's just going to be an add-on. Okay, I use dozens of plugins with this with no conflict. So this is not an SEO plugin, this is a restructuring plugin that can be used in conjunction with Yoast SEO, SEO Ultimate, or any of the other ones. I'm currently at this time recommending Yoast SEO combined with the premium Yoast Video sitemap plugin. All right, hopefully that answers your question. Again, folks, it takes us a lot of time to communicate this to everyone because we really want to make sure you understand this is a restructuring of the WordPress platform so that you can use the optimal internal linking structure that allows for buoyant page rank, that is the movement of page rank through the site from the keywords that it's linking to, and a logical progression of hyperlinking allows Google to know the pages that are important and what the page is about. That's going to give you a real boost on the search engines before you even get inbound links through your regular editorial marketing campaigns. All right, we will talk to you on the next video.